Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Jason Chatham, 9-time Salesforce Certified Developer. On this video, we will review a practice question on the following topic. Let's go over our sample question. Please read the question and potential answers. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Please stop the video if you need more time. The right answer is, you can find the detailed explanation of the answer in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification icon for us to let you know when the next practice test question is ready. Before I forget, if you are looking for a rapid exam guide with sample exams, please check out our book on Amazon. You can find the link on the description of this video.